Welcome to Botomy's Code Essentials. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the closest item. Here we have 4 coins, and we need to collect them in order of closest to furthest. Let's first see what happens if we try to move towards the first item in the items list. So we're going to push the move to response, giving it the first item's position. Let's run that and see what happens. As you can see, it went to the furthest coin, then back. So it's clear that we need to get the distance and then go through and find the closest. So let's write our distance function. Here, because we're operating on simple 2D coordinates, we can use the classic a squared plus b squared equals c squared equation, where a is the distance in x, b is the distance in y, and then we take the square root of the squares of those values. So we take bx minus ax, by minus ay, then we get the square root of dx times dx plus dy plus times dy. Okay, now that we have a distance function, we just need to write a simple algorithm to find the closest item. So we pass in a list of targets and the player's position. We set a temporary variable min distance equals infinity, closest target equals null. Then we go through each target, and for each target we calculate the distance compared to the player's distance. If the distance is less than the min distance, then we update the min distance, and then we set the closest target to the target, and then we return the target at the end. All right, let's test this out. Let's define a closest item variable, calling our function find closest, passing in the items and our own player's position. If we find a closest item, then we're going to move towards that closest item's position. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, we have a error, syntax error. Okay, let's put that in, and we can see now that our character goes to the closest item and collects them in order. That's it for today's video. Next time we'll cover debugging